Hi, this is Matt McKillen with Innovative Financial Group. The question posed to me today is, how do you purchase a home after you've had a foreclosure? There's different guidelines for that. There's conventional loans, which is the Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac type loan, and then there's FHA, which is the Federal Housing Authority or a government-backed loan. Generally with Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac, you can purchase a home after you've had a foreclosure, but they generally like to see a seasoning of at least 4 years since the foreclosure sale. And then at that time, you qualify for the loan just like you would on your first property. You have to prove your income. There may be down payment requirement involved, which you have to prove you have the assets for that. And then hopefully over the term of the 4 years, you've been working on rebuilding your credit and your scores go up. FHA, the government-backed loan, their guidelines are a bit looser, even though they offer the same, if not better, interest rates. I believe that the foreclosure wait period on that is 3 years. So the best thing you can do if you've had a foreclosure and you're looking forward to purchasing another home down the road is work on rebuilding your credit. Get some credit cards or some secured credit cards to start reporting a score, and save money. Try and keep stable on your job, and you can achieve the dream of owning a home again probably within about 3 to 4 years. Again, my name is Matt McKillen, and I'm with Innovative Financial Group.